we are in a abandoned cottage that says keep house.
I'll show you.
It seems to that these clues, please don't zoom in on my face, this is a video.
Don't worry, I'm not.
Stop! Zoom out.
It is zoomed out, I promise.
I just saw Ziggy.
You just saw Ziggy?
Yeah, I did. Okay. So it seems that somebody's already been here. Decided to come over. Checking for the cops? No cops?
Hurry, it's gonna die.
Okay, wow.
I'm almost over. I'm gonna fall into the... Okay.
Okay, try not to make so much noise, we're actually not fucking allowed to be here.
Okay, cover. What?